Hi everybody, this is Nick from the spectacular Tentworld Townsville store. So here I'd like to show you one of our most popular products, the OZtrail Easy Fold Stretcher. So what everyone wants these days is to have a campsite that's set up really fast, really easy to give you lots of time that you can do the things that you actually want to do. So what better to go say with your OZtrail fast frame tent than one of our Easy Fold Stretchers. So let me show you how quick and simple it is to set up. Whip it straight out the bag. And we find best just face the legs away from you. It really is a one-step setup. Simply lay it on the ground in front, fold the legs open, lift it up, and you're ready to go. Now these are made out of a nice strong steel frame with a heavy duty canvas, and it's great for tall guys like me as you don't have any bars at the head or the feet. Pair that up with one of the OZtrail Comfort Mat self-inflating mats and you've got yourself a really nice sleep. Thanks very much. You can grab these in any of the Tentworld stores or online on the website.